Welcome friends to my channel. On today's video, I'll show you how to use potted gel polish and create this Valentine's Day nail art. I'm starting off with a base coat from Madam Glam. This is actually a peel of base coat, so it kind of feels like Builder Gel but thinner. Peel off base coat is great for someone who changes their nails often. So with this, you don't actually have to soak off your nails when you're removing it. You literally just peel it off with cuticle oil. And then if you want to get a full 2 to 3 weeks of your nails, then peel off base coat is really not for you. But I do have a video on my shorts on how to use the peel off base coat and just remove it. So if you're interested, I have that and I'll link it down below for you guys.
My baby, my Valentine, yo. Can I you make you my temperature the rise if you leave?
After applying, you go ahead and cure it for 30 seconds. So for today's polish, I'll be using this red potted gel polish from Madam Glam. The difference between potted gel polish and regular gel polish is it's super pigmented. And you also don't need a top coat after applying. So before using it, you need to stir the gel color so the pigment can spread evenly. So here I'm going ahead and applying it over my nail. You just need a thin layer so it doesn't wrinkle. Because of the opacity, you can do only one coat of polish if you want, and it also doesn't leave a sticky residue. And with this specific gel polish, it has a no white formula, so it's great for chrome powders, and you can also use it for gel stamping as well.
Me, I could die, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your love ain't it, don't leave me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body.
As usual, after applying your gel polish, you need to go ahead and clean around your skin to make sure that you don't have any polish on it before curing. So for this, you're going to go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. And then this is how it looks like after curing the gel polish. Like I said, you don't need a top coat and you can literally touch it afterwards. This is me touching it to let you guys know that it's not sticky at all. So here I'm showing you guys how the one coat looks like versus the two coats of polish. So you can clearly see the difference. It's still pigmented. It still looks great. But now we're going ahead and doing our negative spaces for our nail art. And for this negative space, I'm using the Builder Gel from Madame Glam called Builder Light Beige. I'm going to go ahead and link all the products that I use in this video in the link below. And I also do have a discount code from Madame Glam. I believe it's Portia 35. I'll put it on the screen as well. For my nail art, I'll be using the rose gold gel paint from Madame Glam. So I'm going ahead and drawing my squivel line. Here I'm just using my brush to draw like a curly line. I did find that removing the sticky layer off of my Builder Gel helped the glitter to stay on. This is how it looks like after drawing my squivel lines. I really could have left it here, but then I decided that, maybe I want to do more red squivel lines. But then, as you guys will see following along, it kind of didn't work out to my plan. So then I ended up filling the negative space with the red. But I'll let you guys watch and see how it played out. After being satisfied with how my nail art came out, now I'm going ahead and using a top coat from Model Ones. So with this potted gel, I know I told you guys you don't need top coat, but you can use top coat if you want to get like the shiny effect that top coat gives you. So I'm just going ahead and applying that all over my nails.
Anybody go to breakfast? And I'll be worried about him, yeah. I think he's just the man for you, yeah.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video.